Okay, smoky folks, are you ready for the big reveal? The Lowrider Air Suspension Kit fitted by no less than Dr Tepi Doncaster Motorcycles. Are you ready? Lowrider gets a little higher. It's not fast this, but that's it, we'll max out at that. And this is the best bit. And does it still sit on the side stand okay at the lowest point? Yes it does, it feels pretty solid on flat ground, that is. There you go. Oh, I'm kind of jealous now, I might have to order one for my fat boy. It's pretty damn cool. And I bet you're wondering after that previous video I've just posted as to what I'm going to be doing today. Did anybody guess what kind of bike it was that I was putting on the bench? Yes, it's a beautiful Breakout with all the right accessories. No chrome, well, very little chrome. And what I am doing is changing them out for what's in this box. Oh, tell you what. Have I got to wear the hat while I'm fitting it? So we've got that, we've got some air fresheners. Don't know why you'd need some air fresheners. Some stickers. Packing peanuts, what a nightmare. What an absolute nightmare packing peanuts are. So basically what this is an air ride suspension kit. And I'll be honest, I've not fitted one before, so it's a first for me. And Lee says he's not seen one in the UK. So, it might be a first for a lot of people. There's the unit. It's a bit heavy, so I'm not going to be able to take it out while filming in case we damage it. But there we go. So, it's a simplified air suspension unit. Do I look good? How good do I look? I always look good. I always look good, but do I look better? No, I think I'll go for the greasy traditional. But anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll be swapping these out for the air ride suspension unit. I don't know how hard it or complex or easy it might be. It's a first. It's a first for the doctor. So I'll keep you informed, as always. So this is at its lowest point. Comes with a built-in switch that you bolt on. So if you look at the other video of it going up and down, it isn't the fastest, but obviously you don't want it to be going super quick, do you? But yeah, it's works quite nicely. It wasn't too bad to fit either. Pretty straightforward. Trying to walk around this way so that I hadn't taped off the registration. I don't want to be showing the reg on this one. What do you think? You like it? I like it. I like it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Comment below. Like it.